Can I fix this Davis Sanford ProElite head? Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Tobias Mike from Live Video Productions. We make epic videos for epic companies, and today I want to see, well, let's just see. I have to see if I can fix my fluid head that I have, and we'll go over what I need to look at, and you know, I figured I might as well just share it with everybody as I go through this, and we're just going to take it apart. I'll probably cut this down a little bit. I have this click system. Let's lock this. Click system here for my fluid drag, which puts different drag sets for my pan on this camera. My tilt, everything's working fine. I have a counterbalance on this one. It's all working fine. The problem is, you can see right here on 0, let's unlock the head. Here I am on 0. It's really loose, which is how it's supposed to be. We click over to the 1, and there's drag. Definitely in there. I've got to put some resistance. We go click to the 2, and then all of a sudden we're loose again. And then we click back to the 3, and there's some drag. And it honestly feels like the 1 is tighter than the 3, and they should be obviously go up 1, 2, 3 in how tight they are. So we're going to go ahead, take this thing apart today, see what's going on the inside and see what I can do. So let's move it to the side. Let's go over our tools that we're going to be using today. I have an Allen wrench. I've got 2 different screwdrivers. I've got a regular wrench on standby. I also have my Gerber so that, you know, I've got just some other stuff. I have an Allen wrench set and just some other bits and bots that I keep in my camera bag. I also, a really important tool is a piece of paper, something to write with, and some pens. So a Sharpie and some pens. So let's go ahead and start with my fluid head here. Let's remove the screw. This is part of when it sits in your system, you tighten it down as you're leveling it off. So let's see if we have to remove that. I don't even know. I've never done this before, and like I said, you guys are going to learn with me. Now, I bought this tripod a few years ago. Oh, there's an Allen. Looks like there's another Allen piece in there. So I bought this tripod a few years ago, and the reason I got it is because I needed a fluid head, and it's been a nice, decent fluid head tripod. It was $500 new, $600 range new. Unreturnable item. I wish I just bought a used Satzler or Miller, but at the end of the day, I got it. I've used it a whole bunch in the last 4 years, and it's held up really well. It's definitely a lower end head. Okay, let's bring it up. Okay. So it can only go on a certain way. That's good to know. I'm just going to leave this plastic part on here, but you can see there's these little lineup pins, so I don't have to worry about that. Actually, it looks like those are a little deeper, so it goes on that way. Yeah, well, they're both seem to be working now. I don't know if you guys could see. Let's do it a little close up here. If you look, so when there's nothing locked, you can see there's 2 gears in here. We've got this top blade and the second blade. So when I go into level 1, watch this guy here, locks down. Need a little gravity on it. But if I put it this way, you can see it move up and down, move up. So that's 0, that's 1, 2, this one engages, this one unlocks, and then 3, it's both of these drag wheels. So as we see, it's actually working now. For some reason, this one over here was getting stuck and not going in. If I show you the side, we go to 1. So that actually drops down. We go to 2. That one came up. This one then drops down. And then 3, both of them are dropped in. We go back to 2. That one should be dropped in. And then 0. So that's what's going on. So I think possibly this spring just isn't pushing as hard as it needs to push. But that looks like all that was going on. If that's it, that's what I'm talking about. That's a successful rebuild there. So let's just take everything out. We're at full 0. Yep, just look at everything again. Line this up correctly. Remember what I said. These 2 here are deeper than that one, so let's just check it one more time. So nothing. Take it to 1. Something. We'll take it to 2. There it goes. It's clicking in. That's good. And then we'll take it to 3. There. Oh, yeah. That's working correctly now. So we'll put it back together. Success. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just see if everything's working correctly still. So let's take it to 0. Unlock it. Nothing. That's good. Let's take it to 1. Let me lock it and take it to 1. Engaged. Good, good. A little bit of resistance. Lock it. Let's take it to 2. Unlock. It should take a second to engage. It's not. If I do that. So that's an issue still. It's still not engaging. No, can't get it fixed. All right, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to have to do with this. I think I'm going to try replacing the spring. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and shut down the camera. I think I've spent enough time trying to figure it out. We see what's going on. Obviously, that pin's just not trying to move. I'm going to try to grease it a little more. Hopefully, I get to figure it out. But, you know, at least this was a look inside this head, what's going on with the fluid compartments in it. And it's probably something similar to this side part here. Yeah, I'll just keep messing around with it, see if I can get to the bottom of it. Until next time, everybody have a fantastic day, and may your week be epic. My name is Tobias Mugg. If you like, give us... Let's try it again. My name is Tobias Mugg from Lit Video Productions. We make epic videos for epic companies. Go ahead, give us a like, subscribe, all the other fancy stuff. Comment in the section below if you're having any issues with your head or if you've had to do something similar. What did you have to do? What kind of lube did you use? Whatever it is, I'd love to know. All right, until next time, have a great one. Peace.